Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna make this really yummy fudge in the video today using the new chocolate malt Keto Chow, the newly revealed mystery flavor of the year. This recipe is one that is from the Keto Chow website. It's originally made with banana Keto Chow to make a banana fudge, but I thought it would be fun to try the chocolate malt flavor and then add chocolate sprinkles on top to make like a malted milk ball fudge. It turned out really, really good. There's a taste test here after we make it, so you'll get to see some of the reactions. After we finish up with the fudge, you will get to see our unboxing of the December MyChow surprise box. If you're looking for the cheapest way to purchase Keto Chow, it is through the surprise boxes. You can get a 20% discount if you choose the surprise option. That just means that Keto Chow chooses the flavors for you. So if you know you like most Keto Chow flavors, it's a great option to get the cheapest price. Go for it.
It does taste like batter.
Like cake batter.
Mm-hmm.
Cake batter fudge. That's what it should be called.
Melting in my fingers.
Cake batter fudge. Go for it.
Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It tastes like it's not keto.
Well, that's high praise. Yeah, I thought since it has the Keto Chow like powder in it, it tasted almost like cake batter.
Mm-hmm.
It's like uncooked
What kind of Keto Chow
brownies.
is it?
It's the malt, chocolate malt. I thought the white chocolate kind of covered over the malt flavor. I wish the malt flavor was stronger, but it still tastes really good.
I bet you should make like, for your birthday, you need to make a birthday cake and make sort of these in the form of a cake and use the birthday cake Keto Chow.
That would be delicious. Oh yeah, the birthday cake Keto Chow in these would be really great because it'd be like cake batter fudge birthday cake flavor. Perfect. And then you'd have to use rainbow sprinkles. That would be amazing. What other flavors do you want to make this recipe with? There's so many
Orange
options.
cream.
Ooh, that would be really good. That'd be really good. You could add extra
caramel.
Yeah, I was gonna say you could add extra orange zest and orange extract to like really make it super orangey, like orange creamsicle fudge. That would be delicious. There's so many flavors you could do it with.
Oh, what
Yum.
about pecan sticky?
Yes, I've heard that pecan sticky bun fudge is super good. We're gonna have to try that. All right, that's the next one we're gonna do.
But we need to make dirt cake. Then...
No, I meant the next fudge we're gonna do. Renee's already got a list of Keto Chow recipes that we need to do. We can't jump the list. Next is dirt cake. Okay, we are gonna open up our MyChow surprise box for December. So, what holiday is in December?
Thanksgiving.
I mean Christmas. No.
Halloween.
I don't remember.
What?
I don't remember.
Christmas!
Christmas.
She said Christmas, didn't she?
I did.
I thought it was
Well, but she
Thanksgiving.
started with Thanksgiving, and then he said Halloween. Oh my goodness. Okay, in December
Well,
is Christmas. So what kind of flavors do you think should be in here for Christmas? What flavors do you think of for Christmas?
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread. That's good. Gingerbread. What else?
Snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle. That's a good one. I'm thinking anything chocolate. Chocolate toffee.
Oh.
Just chocolate.
caramel.
Chocolate caramel. Any other flavors you think of for Christmas?
No.
Oh, maybe eggnog.
Oh, maybe apple.
Like any of the holiday
apple
flavors, of course.
pie.
Apple pie for Christmas, yeah.
And
Not blue. That's more of a summer.
I don't know anymore.
monkey apple pie. I think.
Monkey
We're doing the middle so we can.
Yeah, I'll like move the box so you can pick. Okay.
There should be hot chocolate.
Well, you can take the chocolate and make it hot.
And like there
Well,
should
it's
be
not
like
the
hot chocolate flavored keto chow.
Yeah, but hot chocolate is like chocolate but hot, and they have a chocolate that you can make hot, so they have hot chocolate.
Hey, my hair.
Okay, let's start with Charity let's start with Levi to pick. Okay, so don't look.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a soup base.
Beef soup base, starting off strong. That's a good thing for cold weather, right? All right, don't look.
Matcha.
Mocha. Mocha, that's a good one. I said anything chocolate for Christmas, and mocha is chocolate. All right, I'll just let you guys pick. There's 3 of you now. It's not as many.
Ooh, I got something caramel.
Ooh, that's one of your favorites. All right, we've got salted caramel and a chocolate one, and that's what we
And what's mine?
expected.
Yeah.
Okay, Levi.
Look. Oh, lemon meringue. I didn't think that.
Lemon meringue.
Yeah, I think
I don't think that of that for Christmas,
I
but
thought it
still, I
was
mean, it's not
summer.
bad. Yeah, lemon meringue sounds summery to me.
Ooh.
Oh, that could be a Christmassy
Pistachio.
flavor. Pistachio. You don't like pistachio?
What is
Oh, okay.
What is MyChow even doing?
Well, chow is Keto Chow, and this is MyChow, so it's
I
like
got
my monthly
eggnog.
box. Ooh, yes, that is a
Mom,
Christmas flavor.
You picked eggnog.
I know, I said eggnog. I was right. How was I so right? Okay, you ready?
Only a few left. I think I'm gonna land on the big bag.
Not quite.
Hey.
Ooh, yes. Caramel macchiato. One of the best. Okay, I think there's another small one in there. Another couple small
It
ones.
is peanut butter.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Peanut butter.
I've never actually like had it as just a cake.
Oh yeah, we've had chocolate
butter
peanut
is
butter,
gross.
but not just plain peanut butter.
There's one more. Pina colada.
Now that is not a Christmas flavor, I don't think.
Mom.
That's a summer flavor. All right, big bag, here we come. Vanilla. Vanilla. You love vanilla?
I think my favorite one of this would be salted caramel.
Ooh, salted caramel. What's your favorite? What's your favorite one out of all of these, Levi?
What?
What's your favorite one out of all of these?
Want me like now that we know the big bag party.
Party. Mocha? That was coffee.
Can I do this one first?
Okay, and you can't have this one because it has eggs in it.
What? Why?
Can I open
This one has eggs.
It's
Oh,
eggnog.
you think lemon meringue is your favorite?
Yeah.
That one's good. And the lemon meringue does not have eggs, even though meringue does.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel's good. I think out of all of these, that's a tough decision. It'd be either peanut butter or caramel macchiato for me, I think. What about you, Renee?
Pistachio.
Pistachio for Renee.
Can I open
All right.
it?
Are we ready for the cards?
Caramel coconut fat
Bombs.
Oh my.
Caramel coconut fat bombs. Maybe this one uses salted caramel.
It
Yeah,
sounds so
salted
good.
caramel keto
Let's
chow.
make those.
That sounds really good.
Let's make those.
All right, let's look at the other ones.
Lemon sauce.
Lemon sauce.
Lemon sauce. All right, Levi, you want to show one?
I'm keeping this.
No.
I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this.
What's it say, Renee?
Angel
food cake.
Angel food cake. I bet that's with the vanilla.
Yeah.
Yeah, vanilla keto chow.
Mocha.
Tiramisu.
What is that?
It's a dessert that has coffee and whipped cream in it. That looks really good. Mocha tiramisu mousse, of course, uses the mocha flavor. All right, I'm doing the last one. All right, German potato salad with the beef soup base. That sounds really good.
That's the first one that it's not like a dessert
Yes.
thing.
They add in the savory ones too. There's usually like one savory.
Yeah, there's one soup base.
The one that you had is so good.
Those are the recipes.
Buddy! Angel cake.
Buddy!
Food cake.
Angel food cake, does that one look the
You
best?
guys calling the confetti?
Yeah.
Confetti.
Confetti?
You say